Hello friends, I am Ujjwal. Today I will tell you about the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. Let's begin. In view of the success of the Chinese company Huawei Mate 20 Pro, the Mate 30 Pro is going to launch in the market soon. This is an upgrade version of the Mate 20 Pro. Talking about its features, it has a 6.53-inch AMOLED display, which has a screen resolution of 1176 by 2400 pixels. The device is based on the Silicon Kirin 990 chipset and it's equipped with an 8-core processor. It has 256 GB of internal storage with 8 GB RAM. The Mate 30 Pro has two 40 megapixel and one 8 megapixel camera setup. Also 32 megapixel camera has been given for selfie. It has a 4500 mAh lithium polymer battery. It costs around rupees 86,000. The Huawei Mate 30 Pro is a premium phone with punch hole display, wireless charging, high resolution display and a great processor, but many good and cheap phones are also present in the range. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos like this.